Hi and welcome to AfriHost Answers. Today I'm going to show you how to install an auto SSL certificate for your domain in CWP. Open your internet browser, navigate to clientzone.afrihost.com and log in with your username and password. Select the hosting tab and then select the domain you want to access. Click on Website Manager and then click Login to Website Manager. Once in CWP, scroll down. Under Domains, select Auto SSL. From the drop-down menu, under Domain/Subdomain, select the domain or subdomain you want to install an SSL certificate for. Click the Install button once the domain has been validated. A pop-up message will appear stating the operation has been successful. You may need to refresh your browser, and then your SSL installation will appear in the list. You have successfully installed your Auto SSL certificate for your domain.
Hi, John, CEO of AfriHost here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. And if you want more how-tos and tutorials like this one, please visit answers.afrihost.com.